You understand Hindi?
No Hindi.
No. Yeah. So you people are Chin refugees.
Yeah.
Chin
Yes.
refugees staying. How long you are staying here?
From 2008, we are staying here.
2008. And you are
And I'm since 2009.
2009.
Yes.
And the problem is that despite you people are poor
Sure, sir.
economically, you don't have ration card.
Not
You
at all.
don't have income certificate. Even you cannot get income certificate.
Sure, sir.
And in absence of that, how you can get free treatment from private hospitals under EWS category? I want to know what is your economic condition and what efforts you have made for opening bank account or this and that. You are telling now what difficulties you are facing.
Yeah. First, when I asked that Slick, it's UNHCR office. I asked them to make it for me other card and PIN card, so I can open my own bank account and even I can look for the job, because most of the job without PIN card and other card they cannot hire. So the refugees, they told me that they cannot make it all this other card and PIN card. We are not allowed to make. That's what they told me. So in the case, then even it's really hard to find a job without other card and PIN card also. And we are facing, even we cannot save any money because there is no bank account, or even like we we have to do our own business. That our own business is also only in refugee people. So in outside they cannot, like, what I'm going to say. Right now my brother is only who is working in my house. He is electrician, but the way he work is only in refugee circle, because he don't have any bank account or he don't have any other card or PIN card, so he can do only in refugee people. So even that also every day he cannot find.
I understand now most of the money transactions are online. So if you don't have an account, then even you cannot run a small shop, because people come on shop and then say Paytm, we can transfer you the money Paytm. But even since you don't have an account,
We do only cash.
eh?
Yeah, that's why we do only cash.
So now your mother is sick, and your wife is also sick. She wants heart treatment. So, but you people don't have income certificate and don't have a ration card, and without that, how I can help you?
So the thing is, as a refugee.
And declaration, though it is prescribed, but the hospital does not recognize, and government says no, patient should have a income certificate. So this is how these refugees are really facing lot of problems in almost every area.
Yeah, in every.
In every area they are facing. So still we will try to help you in whatever way we can do. And I will request the government to allow these refugee people and who come under the income limit of for the purpose of free treatment, they should be allowed to take treatment on the basis of self-declaration. Because I remember the government of Delhi long year back has issued a specific order that the foreigners, including refugees, who have their family income within the limits prescribed for free treatment under EWS category, that they are also entitled to. But because you don't have an income certificate or this ration card, which you cannot get it,
Yeah.
government does not permit you to do. So you are deprived of this benefit of EWS treatment, despite the fact that you come otherwise within the limits. What do you say, madam?
What? Sir,
What would you like to say to the government?
Yes,
Oh.
what I don't understand is if we are qualified for EWS, why they are not allowed to make this ration card or other card or PAN card? That's what
Yes.
I don't understand.
And similarly, they should allow you on the basis of declaration the entitlement of free treatment in private hospitals. Is it?
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Thank you.